Okay. First activation. Yes.
Special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Melbourne has issued a special marine warning for troubles of Brevard County length to Sebastian Inlet 0
Let's
to 20
go.
nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Cocoa, moving east at 10 knots.
Anyone with better reception?
Or greater. Source, radar.
Heck is that?
Impact. Wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves, lightning and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Return to safe harbor if possible. Locations and tactics include Cocoa, Cape Canaveral, Jetty Park, Port Canaveral, and Merritt Island. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.